Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya. Myself Aparna Veera Munjewar from Khanda Colony. I would like to share my experience related to my husband and me. We are only two members in family, me and my husband. So we have always been staying together with no problems at all as such. But in COVID, when we were all together all the time, my husband got an opportunity to go to Malaysia and work. So now it was a difficult situation for me and him too. But we decided that first you go check whatever is there, and then if possible I can join you later on. But both of us are working, like he is also working and I am also working, and my job is all set here in New Panvel itself. So I did not had any problem of commuting or anything. It was all soft going. But then later on, when he thought of moving there, I supported him. He even went there, he got to stay there, he had all good things, all benefits from the company. But somehow I could not stay here alone. So, and even I did not wanted to leave my job. So that was a bigger problem for me and him too. So I spoke to my mom, then my mom suggested me that we'll go to Dada and then Dada will sort out your problem. I said, okay, fine, we'll do that only. So in Navratri, first we went to the temple downstairs and then we went to Dada also. So Dada asked me first question, are you also working? I said, yes, Dada, I'm also working and everything is set here. So then he asked me second question, are you not interested to go to Malaysia? I said, no, Dada, I don't want to go anywhere, leaving my India. Dada was very happy listening to this. Then Dada said, okay, fine. Then if you are interested staying here, then we'll do one thing, that you don't worry anymore. And we know that whatever Dada says, it happens. For 108% it happens. I absolutely had that faith. Now whatever Dada tells me, I'll do the same thing. Dada told me to recite Ghor Kashtodharan for 11 times, and I was praying, I was doing that every day. 1 month passed. I said, I used to always stand in front of Bapu's picture and I used to always talk, which we always do, everybody does that Bapu, what is going to happen? I really don't understand. I can't stay alone because I'm all alone. I know that you are there with me, but physically husband is also wanted. So I always used to pray. Every night I used to pray. I used to sometimes cry also a lot, that I can't stay alone like this. You have to do something for me. Either you call him here or take me there, but you do something, Bapu. Bapu, I really did not know what actually Bapu wanted from us or for us. Whatever was good, we know that Bapu only does those things that is good for us. He doesn't give us anything which is not required for us. So I always had that faith that Bapu is going to do something, Bapu is going to do something. 1 month passed, second month passed, and I still did not had any idea what to do, how to do. I did everything whatever Dada is telling, and I used to always pray to Bapu, Bapu kahitari kara, Bapu kahitari kara. Afterwards, after a few days, my husband got a call from some company that whether you would like to shift in India once again. I don't know from where it happened, and even he did not knew how did it happen. He just got a call. He got that interview done. Everything was done immediately. Within 10-15 days, everything was sorted and he was ready to come back to India. Within 15 days, he sorted all the other problems, whatever he had for the other company. He finished off all the work and he did that. And when he came here, actually he got a bigger package than what he had before in the company, previous company. So this is what my Bapu wanted to do for us, that even he comes back to India with the good salary. And I just wanted to say here one thing, that Bapu always wanted that we should get good things and not what we wanted. So I would like to end my Anubhav here itself. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya, Nath Samhita, Nath Samhita, Nath Samhita.